Is your car acting strange while driving? Experiencing delays in shifting, odd noises, or fluid leaks? These could be early signs of transmission problems. Ignoring these symptoms might lead to expensive repairs down the road. In this video, we'll break down the common signs and causes of transmission issues so you can keep your vehicle running smoothly and avoid unnecessary costs. The transmission is one of the most complex systems in your vehicle, with hundreds of interconnected parts constantly moving, heating, and interacting. Because of the friction and heat involved, it's natural for transmission components to wear down over time. Recognizing early signs of trouble can save you from major repairs later on. Here are the key symptoms to watch out for. Notice a pause when shifting from park to drive or reverse. Experience hesitation during gear changes. Delayed vehicle response when switching gears could indicate a transmission issue. If the car feels like it's struggling to accelerate or shifts roughly between gears, this is a red flag. Any unusual vibrations while driving, regardless of speed, could signal transmission trouble. A burnt odor from under the hood could be overheated transmission fluid or damaged components. Transmission fluid is vital. Any visible leaks under your car should be inspected immediately. Clunking, screeching, or whistling sounds can indicate failing transmission parts. Check your transmission dipstick. If the fluid looks cloudy, thick, or has a burnt smell, it's time for a service. If it's hard to shift gears or the shifter won't move at all, the problem might lie within the transmission. Understanding the root causes of these issues can help you prevent them. Here are some of the most common transmission problems. Fluid leaks, contamination, or age can lower fluid levels. For automatics, this can result in poor hydraulic pressure and gear issues. For manuals, it can lead to grinding and overheating. Syncros ensure smooth gear shifts by matching the speeds of gears. When worn, they can cause rough or failed gear changes, leading to further transmission damage. A worn clutch can result from hydraulic fluid leaks or improper driving habits like riding the clutch during acceleration. If ignored, it will require a costly replacement. These small bearings keep the torque converter's gears operating smoothly. If they fail, you might hear grinding sounds during motion, indicating inefficient gear movement and wear. Your car's transmission is vital for smooth driving, and catching issues early can save you a lot of hassle and expense. If you notice any of these signs, don't wait. Schedule a transmission inspection as soon as possible. Regular maintenance can extend the lifespan of your transmission and ensure a safer, smoother drive. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on keeping your vehicle in top condition. Drive safe, and see you in the next video.